Welcome to this channel, Reading Zone. The 8th schedule of Indian Constitution lists the official languages of India. As per Articles 344(1) and 351 of Indian Constitution, the 8th schedule recognizes the 22 languages. Initially 14 languages included in Constitution. Assamese, mostly spoken in Assam. Bengali, mostly spoken in West Bengal, Assam, Tripura. Bodo, spoken in Assam and Meghalaya. Dogri, mostly spoken in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Gujarati, spoken in Gujarat. Hindi, mostly spoken language in India. Kannada, spoken in Karnataka, Kerala and Goa. Kashmiri, spoken in Jammu and Kashmir. Konkani, spoken in Goa. Maithili, spoken in Bihar, Jharkhand. Malayalam, spoken in Kerala and Lakshadweep. Manipuri, spoken in Manipur. Marathi, spoken in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Nepali, spoken in Sikkim. Odia, spoken in Odisha and West Bengal. Please like this video and share it. Subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for more notification. Punjabi, spoken in Punjab, Delhi, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. Sanskrit, spoken in Karnataka. Santali, spoken in West Bengal and Jharkhand. Sindhi, spoken in Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Tamil, spoken in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Telugu, spoken in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Urdu, spoken in Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Thanks for watching this video.